Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Audi SQ5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a power seat, a headlight cleaning system, and more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.